In this video, I'm going to show you how I get my cats to listen to me. It's a skill I've developed within 10 years. I've been using it. I've used it on my cats, mean cats, neighbors' cats, and other people's friends' cats, and it works for all of them. And it's something I've developed over years using a specific frequency. You're not going to be using any words or nothing like that. So even if your cat's a mean cat in a way, it doesn't like to listen, likes to just sit there, and you call it to stop doing something or to come to you. This method that I'm going to show you in this video is how you're going to get your cats to listen to you. They'll come to you and be vocal. They may talk to you in a way, or meow, or something like that. So my cats right now, they're in the other room sleeping. So for this portion of the video, I'm going to see how long it takes for them to come. So I'm going to wet my lips. I just want to explain real quick, in case you can't hear me that great. Once you get that specific frequency down pat, you might have to practice a few times until you get it specific frequency for them to start coming to you. That's what I've discovered, is it's just like a certain pitch. And it's going to seem kind of weird, kind of dumb, but it works every time. Ready? Hey, kitty.